Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Windows keys not working. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. Without further ado, let's jump into video. I will show you 10 methods to fix your issues. First step is check for physical issues. You have to inspect your keyboard, ensure there is no debris or dirt under the key. If you see some kind of dirt and debris in your keyboard, you just take your brush and clean your keyboard, and you can try another keyboard. If you have two keyboards, you can check with other keyboard. That also help to fix that issue. Step number 2 is you have to restart your computer. Sometimes restart is a simple method you can fix your issues. To restart your computer, you have to go your start menu and tap on power icon and just tap on restart. It will restart your computer, most probably, then will fix your issue. Method number 3 is disable gaming mode. Some keyboards have a gaming mode that disable the Windows key. Look for a switch or keyboard combination to toggle gaming keyboard off. If your keyboard has some kind of number, you can check using Google, and is that gaming mode is available or not, then you can switch off gaming mode. Method number 4 is disable the filter keys. To disable your filter keys, you have to tap on Windows icon, then you have to go setting here, and then you can choose ease of access. Just tap on it, and there's a, you need to scroll down in the left menu, and there's a option called keyboard. Just tap on it, and you can see turn off filter keys. You need to scroll down a little bit. Now it is turned off. If you see this is turned on, you have to just tap on to turn off it. Okay, that is step number 4. Step number 5 is you have to run the keyboard troubleshooter. To do that, again you need to go to start menu, then go to setting, and you can see the last option here, update and security. Just tap on it, and in the left menu you can see the option called troubleshoot. Just tap on it, and okay, according to my device, something error happened, so I can't use the troubleshoot right now, but I think your computers it will be show. Just tap on run troubleshooter, then it will fix your keyboard issues automatically. Then that is step number 5. Step number 6 is you have to update your keyboard drivers. To update your keyboard drivers, you have to just right click on start menu and go to device manager here. Just tap on it, wait for loading. Okay, it is loaded. Now you have to go keyboards, right here. Just tap on it, and you can see there is 2 keyboards here. One is the laptop default keyboard, and second one is external keyboard. In my case, if you see one keyboard is here, it's okay. What you need to do is just right click on this one keyboard and tap on update driver, and you have to search automatically for drivers. Sometime it will be show the drivers are already installed. Now you need to do is again go to keyboard here, right click, update driver, and second one choose browse my computer for drivers, and choose the let me pick up from a list, and you can see the already installed drivers here. Just tap on it and tap on next, so it will again install in your computer. Close and do the same thing for second keyboard, update driver, browse my computer, let me pick from list, and select this, tap on next, then it will be installed. Okay, sometime it will ask me to restart your computer. Tap on yes. Now I'm not going to do that. Okay, then it will be, most probably it will be fix your keyboard issues. Step number 7 is you have to check for Windows updates. Windows update also cause to not working keyboards. To do that, you have to again go to Start menu, go to Setting, and go to Update and Security, and tap on Windows Update. Now I am currently updated in my system. In your case, you have to tap on Check for Update. Then it will be updated to latest version. That is step number 7. Okay, step number 8 is you have to perform an SFC scan. SFC scan will clean your driver's errors and kind of things. So to do that, you have to open command prompt as administrator. First go to search bar, type on command prompt. Okay, you can see the first option here. Just right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Alright, now you have to do is type on SFC space and slash scan now and just hit enter. It will take little bit time to scan your whole computer. It find your issues in your drivers and other things, so it will be automatically fix those issues. So that is step number 8. Step number 9 is you have to check for malware. Sometimes your malware has affected to your Windows keys not working. To do that, just search for Windows security. You can see the first option here. Just tap on it, and the first option again, virus and threat protection, and tap on quick scan. It will be scan your whole computer quickly. It will not be too much time. Then check for malware and remove those things. So these are the steps you can follow to fix your Windows key not working. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like this video. So thank you very much. See you soon in new video.